I would highly recommend Orlando's Auto Body to anyone. My name is Gary Bradley, and myself, my son, and my daughter were all in 3 separate accidents, and we used Orlando's Body Shop for all 3 vehicles. It was a stressful time for my family. Orlando's Auto Body, from the time we called the tow truck to the time we picked up our vehicles, the process was seamless. They really took care of us. They provided a rental car when we didn't have rental coverage on our insurance. They took care of the insurance paperwork, and everything was just great. And they are accurate in what they tell you, right down to when your car is going to be ready. I know in the past sometimes you go to shops and it's going to be, they say it's going to be ready in a day, but it's ready in a week or 2. But they really are accurate in their approach as far as when you can get your car back, and that's important to me. When I get my car back from Orlando's Auto Body, I'm very confident that everything is put back together to OEM specifications. That's why I recommended my kids and friends to Orlando Auto Body.
For over 30 years, Orlando Auto Body has put its customers' best interests ahead of profits.